Hello, welcome back to Spare Time Workshop. We're outside today because we're making birdhouses. Stick around, you'll enjoy it. Alright, well here you have it, my first actual design in SketchUp. It's the birdhouse. Looks pretty good right here, looks like an awesome birdhouse. So now it's just a matter of taking this and translating into actual lumber, cutting it out just right, and then assembling it. So stick around, let's see how it goes. Okay, we've made a trip down to our local big box store, and I've come across these pickets. They're fence pickets. They look pretty good, pretty square, as far as you can get square at the big box store. But best thing about them is that they're pest resistant and water repellent. So I think these are ideal for making the birdhouse. Only difference will be design the birdhouse with 6-inch width boards, and these are 5.5. So we'll just have to adjust slightly. Alright, here we are with the dog-eared fence slat. Alright, here we go. 13 inches is our backer. And we know that with both sides, 13 and 1/8, which will account for the curve of the blade. We know the front piece is going to be 6 inches. That's the front. So the roof is going to be 8 inches. Let me see. Alright, we know the bottom's got to fit in between the back and the front. So that's 4 3/8. 4 3/8. We do know that the back side of the side is 7 inches. And the front side is 6. Just connect those to the straight edge. So rather than doing the math, we'll just go ahead and adjust our. Shift this over slightly. I want that blade right to be in the middle of that line. Now we have mirror sides. And in order to get that roof angle, so we'll cut that at the same angle. Alright, give us that angle right there. Do the same for the front of the birdhouse, so the angles match up. We put that in here. These angles match. Alright, here we are at our brand new assembly table. We're going to build our first project. We're going to build a birdhouse. Alright, so we have the front of the birdhouse, the bottom of the birdhouse, both sides with a slant on them. Alright, and this will be the roof. It's got an angle cut into it. Alright, first thing we need to do is go ahead and measure up 2 inches from the bottom. That's where the base of the birdhouse will be. Somewhere along the way I cut a hole in the front of the birdhouse and installed the perch. Not sure where that footage went. As we're putting in this plastic wood, I'm just going to seal up that back gap and protect the birds a little better, because you know rain loves to get into every single nook and cranny. Later, and the birds will have a nice dry house. Alright, here we are, we're back now to take these bird houses out of their clamps. Alright, bird houses are ready. They're set. They look pretty good. I think they're ready for their new occupants.